Ano pre? Installation na pre? Ooh. Jeez. iPhone 14, iPhone 16 Pro. Ano pre? Mobile Legends na pre. Ooh la la. iPhone 16 Pro. Ano pre? Kita sa mga pre? Wow. Hello. Krishna. 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 Yeah. Ano meron pre? Charger. Charger.
I don't know how to pair.
Go into your watch app, type in watch. Scan it, keep it a bit far away. Can you scan it? Left wrist, right? Continue.
Camera lenses. Camera lens protection, right? Jeez. Still go from the way. Yeah. Ayan. Ito guys. The iPhone. Maybe the phone SIM. And here we go guys. We are unboxing right now our new iPhone 16 Pro. Is that easy for me? Jeez. And this is the other stuff here. The camera lens armor. We have here dual port wall charger. And this is the best, all the best. The Flux magnetic power bank, and jelly case, and the screen protector. That's all. So yan guys, grabe. So alam nyo ba guys na kapag itutulat natin lahat to, so in Philippine money, nagre-range to lahat yung previous natin is 6,700 I guess. So yun, sobrang expensive at saka sulit po kasi sa ano 16 Pro Max natin, meron tayong mga ganito. Ito yung pinakatibay guys, magnetic power bank. So yan guys, kung setup na yung kan Jade. So sa misis ko naman is nainggit yata kumuha ng iPhone 16 Pro. Di na kontento sa sa 13 niya. May iWatch, pakita nga ng iWatch mo. Ooh, cheese.
The ultra.
Grabe. Sa'yo pre, okay na yan pre. Patingin nga pre. Ooh. Grabe yung ganda. Jeez.
Same one.
Wow.
I'll tell you which one you
Ang
can.
galing. Ang suabe.
Pre, the power bank, pre.
Oh. Sabihin mo dun sa kaibigan ni Krishna. So yan guys, ito na yung sa akin. I-install na ni brother.
iPhone 14 lang, ay iPhone 16.
16 plus.
So yun. Ooh.
Do another credit check on
Tibay guys, oh. Grabe, ang ganda.
25.
Yan. Nalagyan na ng lens protection sa akin. Wow, ang ganda oh. Ooh. Jeez. So yan, yung screen protection. Ito. Diyan na yan guys. So, at this moment, yung pagbablog natin is gaganda na yung quality ng views niya kasi maganda yung camera nito. So this is the latest one of the iPhone. This is iPhone 16 Pro Max. Jeez, ganda. And galing. And the last one is the Jelly case. The new iPhone 2024 6.9 Pro Max Aspen case. Alright. So ito guys, yung tawag nito, yung sa charger niya
2 days, so you should be
is pang Android phone na yung design. At saka yan, ito, hirit lang tayo muna. Ito na yun guys, may SIM ejector pin, ito white cord, yun. Then yan, ilalagay na yung kuya yung natin. Jelly case, ang ganda oh.
Yeah, you get
Emphasize yung phone natin na iPhone. Jeez.
and I'll tell you the cost.
And then, whoa, thank you brother.
$2.
Appreciate it.
Phone as well.
Yeah, I have.
He get only the iWatch.
Sorry.
iWatch.
He ordered the
The watch
iWatch.
is here.
Yeah.
Did you get the watch and the AirPods? Did you get anything else?
I want
For
the
yourself?
iPhone 6.
Mhm.
iPhone Pro Max.
Did you order it already or
Not
not yet? Right?
Not yet.
You want it now. Right?